My name is Balla Lok Kalyan. I am from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I am pursuing Bachelor of Engineering in BMS Institute of Technology and Management in Bangalore. I am from CSC department. Actually, we had a seminar with from Santosh sir. I think he came for GRE coaching and this placement coaching. So we opted for GRE coaching first. I think there's a guy called Ram. He encouraged us to take this as well, so that it will help us to get ready for this profile building and etc. So we choose this career labs. That's good actually. She encouraged me and she told me, she gave many suggestions to take my track, and she changed my track as well. She suggested some course to do so that it helps my profile like that. Yeah, it's introduction to Python, then introduction to Java, then big data analytics, Node.js, then some aptitude course, then some communication course. Yeah, one more thing is machine learning. Actually, the platform was very good. The code editor, everything was very good, and classes were clear, and they are explaining very good. Actually, the explanation was super simple, and it was easy to any student so that they can understand easily. So, web development with PHP and SQL. It's with Skyfi Labs, I think. Yeah, I took the course because rest of all the courses is there in starter packs. That's why after I opted this course. Actually, this course was like web development with PHP and SQL. It's like connecting the front end with the back end by using PHP. That's it. Back end is we used MySQL. The language for connecting is PHP, and front end we used HTML and CSS. We developed a project called payroll management system. We gave YouTube link as well, the career that we have submitted with. We have done that project on our own. It's actually a team project, team of 3. We have done that. Yeah, before this I have a 2-page resume. Actually, I applied for many companies as well, but I didn't get shortlisted. Then this career labs helped me. They made a single page resume so that I can add on all main things related to me in that resume. After that, I have shortlisted to many companies as well for the first round. The good thing happened. It was good. The interaction and everything was very good. I remember Apurva ma'am, then Akshat sir, Sai Kiran. Yeah, they were good. They interacted very well. Actually, Apurva ma'am called me many times for every interview I have. She reminded me, tomorrow you have interview, you have to prepare, you have to do like this. She helped me a lot. For me, actually, I'm lack of skills when I'm in 6th sem. That's second half of 3rd year. So when I come to final year, all placements got started. Actually, everyone was like getting interviews, selected for the interviews after clearing the first round. But even I've cleared first round in many companies. But when I get into technical rounds, there I don't get any later responses from the company. Then I was like, okay, I was lack of skills. Then I learned some skills which was needed to build my profile. Then later I aced some company through career labs. I got placed into a company called Cambi, which is a startup in America. There is no current office in India. My role is Angular developer. It's 5.5 LPA. First 3 months I have internship. Then later, depends on my performance, they'll convert into full-time employment. I have like 4 technical interviews. Then they gave me 1 assignment, which I have to build a website within 2 days. Then I have asked for time. Actually, I have exams that time. Then I have asked for extension of the time. Then they gave me 3 days again. So in 3 days, I have built some website. Yeah, they were pretty much happy with my assignment and website as well. So it was like, yeah, you are okay, you are fit for this role. Then they gave me opportunity to.